Hello JA members, this week we are going to be highlighting the 5-step system. Now if you don't use this system, this is gold in a container, and I'm going to get to that in a second. So there's 5 steps, but you'll notice there's a few extra bottles here. We have step 1, which is a deep mask, step 2, which is a shampoo, step 3, which is a conditioner, step 4, which is your reconstructing spray. And you'll notice that, of course, the bottles are different. This is the same product. And then step 5, which is your instant repair. So I'm going to go step by step as to how you can use these and make money in the salon as well as retailing them. And then we're going to explain why the bottles are different. So the deep mask, like I said, this is your gold in a container. This is professional use only, so you do not want to retail this part of the system to your clients. This is an in-salon treatment only. So you would apply this to towel dried hair. You would chloromed the hair, towel dry it, apply this, cap off your client and put them under the dryer for 20 minutes. And then you're going to go to the bowl and use your step 2 to shampoo them out. Then, of course, rinse. Condition with step 3. Once you've conditioned the hair, you're going to use your reconstructing spray once the hair is towel dried. And then, before you blow dry or heat style, you're going to add your instant repair. And this treatment will literally transform the hair from dry, brittle, and breaking off to luxurious and beautiful and sustainable if they've had some chemical damage. Okay, so let's go over some of the key ingredients in each one of these steps that make them unique and professional. Well, this one professional only. So this one, like I said, under the dryer for 20 minutes after you've chlorometted the hair. Now it does have shea butter in it, and it's going to help restore from chemical damage and just overall environmental damage. So if you have a very compromised client, this is a great system to start them off on. So step 2, now this is going to volumize and strengthen the hair. And so you will shampoo out your step 1 with the step 2 product. And then you will follow up the step 2 shampoo with your step 3 conditioning treatment. So the step 3 conditioning treatment, you're going to rinse the hair and then apply the step 3. It's going to improve brushability. It's going to strengthen and protect the hair. And then you're going to apply the step 4. The step 4 is a reconstructing spray. So this has some great ingredients in it, like jojoba, shea butter, ceramide A2, and of course we know that reinforces and helps to strengthen the sheath of the hair or the cuticle. So that's going to help to improve overall quality of the hair. And it also has UV protectants in it, so it's going to protect any colors that are on the hair or that you've treated, any chemicals that you've treated the hair with. So that's really great. It's got some UV protectors in it. Now this step 5, this is a instant reconstructor. And it does contain bamboo, avocado, it's got linseed oil in it, and of course linseed oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so that will nourish the hair follicle and improve overall health of the hair. So step 5 is really important, and you will blow dry after you apply step 5. So step 4, towel dry. Step 5 right over the top of step 4, and then you're going to style as usual. So 3 to 4 pumps of this, and after you've completed the 4 steps prior to it, you're going to notice a notable change in the hair. It's going to look a lot healthier. It's going to lack that dry look. It's going to just overall look healthier and more voluminous. So again, you can put these on your retail shelves, these 4 steps on your retail shelves, and retail them for at-home care to help keep up the benefits of this treatment. And then about once a month you would have them come in and do the deep mask on their hair if their hair is severely compromised. And then maybe increase the increment over time as their hair gets healthier. So we did have a repackaging on this product, so you'll notice that these are the bottles that we previously had, and this is the repackaging. So these will be the ones that you get. So if you order this product, please don't get confused. They are both the same product, just repackaged to look great on your retail shelves. So if you have questions, as always, you can call the office and ask us. And if you'd like to order these products, just talk to your coordinator, and we'll talk to you soon. Have an amazing day.